All right, YouTube, welcome to episode 52 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to get autographs through the mail. And here's what we got today. Look at that. We got 21 returns today. Let's get at it. There's a ton of them. 3 out of 4 in 8 days. Doug Rader. I got Dave Rader yesterday and Doug today. I'm not sure if they're brothers or not. There's a 77 tops, 68 tops, 77 tops. I wish he would have signed that one instead of that one so I could have a different card. But we'll have to send this one back out to him. But 3 out of 4, cool. Put this 68 on top. You know me, I like those vintage cards. 4 for 4 in 8 days. Dave Duncan, look at that. That's awesome. I love that 74 card right there. Nice. He was a pitching coach, I think, for what, the A's or like Tony La Russa maybe? There's a 77 tops and a 71 tops and another 77 tops. Like I told you before, I got about 1,800 of these cards, so I'm trying to send them out. Get as many of them signed as I can. I'm going to go with, I don't know. I love these 71s, but I like that 74. I'm going to go with the 74. Go against my better judgment. 3 for 3 in 8 days. I love these 8-day guys. John Capoletti. Last time I got him, I only got these 78s because I couldn't find any other cards. I ended up buying a lot of a partial set of 81 tops and a partial set of 82 tops just so I can have some fuel to send out. So, cool. 3 of 3, Heisman Trophy winner. We're going to put this one on top because I needed that one for the set. 2 of 3 in 8 days. This is the most I've ever had of people not signing cards. Pete Broberg. You know, I love my Kellogg's cards. There's a 1973 Kellogg's card. 77 tops. And a blank 77 tops. Save that for next time. Hopefully I'll get some more other cards I can use to put in some more sets of his. 5 for 5 in 8 days. Tom House. Wow, look at that. It's like this. You can barely tell it's autographed. It's so small. 77 tops, 77 tops. You're going to see a lot of these 77 tops. There's a 1971 rookie card. I'm not sure if any of those other guys signed. And here's 2 1969 rookie cards. Awesome. That might be his real rookie. I'm not sure. Awesome. This costs $15. That's 3 of 3 in 8 days. So I paid $5 a card. Oh, you're going to like this one, guys. This is one of my favorite returns ever. This goes up there with like the 60 Brooks Robinson I got. Look at that. I know nothing about these Philadelphias. I'm not sure what year this is. But look at that. Oh, look at that. Another Philadelphia. These are pretty good shape too. I paid pretty good money for these, but I knew he would sign them for $5 a piece. Wow. That is awesome. Like I said, these have got to be my best returns ever. Personally, I like football better than baseball as far as collecting cards. I like this one just because that is the Redskins. Huh. It's like green jerseys. I just thought it was kind of cool. I don't see them in a green jersey that often. 3 for 3 in 8 days. I should have saved that one for last. That's probably going to be my best one of the day. Dave Wickersham. 67 tops, 65 tops, and a 61 tops rookie card. I'm going to go with the rookie card. And 3 for 3 in 8 days. I think I got him back a couple weeks ago. There's a 63 tops, but I wanted to get this 57 signed. 65. Nice. Put that 57 right on top here. 3 for 3 in 8 days. Man, 8 days is the day today. I think I got his brother back yesterday. But I think I needed the 63 card. I think I needed the coach's card. And I already have a few of these. But like I said, if you're going to send to him anyway, why not send an extra card and get another 58 card signed? I kind of like this Indians managers team. Shout out to, let's see, who was the Indians? I think it was Reindeer Studios. And, I can't remember, was it Haas's cards, maybe? I'm trying to remember. I watched so many videos, it's hard to keep track. I try to shout out, but my brain's fried. 4 for 4 in 9 days. Look at that. Boots Day. I saw someone getting some of this, getting him back the other day. I think it was Johnny. There's a 71 Topps card. That's nice. I like that one. 72 Topps. And 72 Topps. I'm going to go with my 71s. 5 for 5. 9 days. Chuck Essergan. That's a nice card. I think I already have that card, but I needed some of these other ones. 63. There's one of them I definitely needed. You know, I love my food issue cards. Got that. I was like, I got to get that. And I needed the 62 also. I didn't have this one. I know that for sure. And I might have needed the 63, but we're going to put the food issue on top. It's one of my favorites. 6 for 6 in 16 days. Look at that. Couple index cards. It's Bob Dulaba. 63 Topps, 66 Topps, 64 Topps, 63 Topps again, and a 62 Topps. Nice. We're going to go with that 63. 3 for 3 in 16 days. Look at that. Finally. It's my first time getting back Cliff Harris. I showed you a few, could not find any Cliff Harris cards at all. Everybody wanted like $5 a piece with shipping. I was like, I'm not paying $5 a piece for 50-cent cards. So I ended up buying, I think I bought 144 of these Wonder Bread cards for like, I think it was like $15 or something. So I figured, you know, I'd have some to send off, and then I'd have some to trade with you guys if you wanted to trade. And I also have a physical store location. I don't really sell cards there, but I mean, I'm sure if I put these in top loaders and put $1 a piece on them, you know, unsigned, people would give me $1 a piece for them unsigned. So I figured it was a no-brainer to pay 15 cents a piece or 20 cents a piece or whatever these were. But yeah, these are awesome, man. These came out great. Cliff Harris was one of my favorite players too. 4 for 4 in 16 days. Brian McRae, 91 upper deck. These are nice. I love the Stadium Clubs. Can't remember what year that is. 92 maybe. Here's a 93 Topps. Is it Hit Squad that gets the studios? I like the studios. They're awesome. I just don't have a set to send out, but I've been looking for these because the studios look phenomenal autographed. 4 for 4 in 16 days. Merv Rettenmund, 77 Topps, 78 Topps. I need those for the sets. I think I had these guys already. 73 and a 72. But I really do like that 71, so we'll put that on top. 5 for 5 in 16 days. John D'Acquisto, 1980 Topps, and 81 Topps, 77 Topps, 75 Mini. I really like these mini cards too. 82 Topps for the set. That makes number 111 for that set. And we got an autographed business card. Nice. That's awesome. Gotta throw the one up for the set. No. I like the mini the best. Love those minis. 3 for 3 in 16 days. Look at this. Got one of my photos signed. This is when I met Billy Kilmer when we went down to the Super Bowl at in Miami in the 90s. So this was him in the 90s signing a mini helmet for me. But that's cool. Billy Kilmer, one of my favorite players. Look at that. 75 tops and a 69 tops. Awesome. I love this 69. I was a huge Billy Kilmer fan when he was with the Saints. And then I became an Archie Manning fan after that. 3 for 3 in 16 days. Look at that. Matt Snell. Awesome. From the Ohio State. 70 tops. 69 tops. And a 70 tops. I'm not sure if this is the first time I got Matt or not. I like that 69 tops a lot. 4 for 4 in 24 days. We're getting close to the end here. Ken Willard. Seems like I get him like every week. 74 tops. 70 tops. 69 tops, but I wanted this signed here. This one cost me a few bucks, but I love these Philadelphia cards. This is a 67 Philadelphia card, I believe. And that is sweet. Like I said, I couldn't hold back. I just had to send it to him and get that signed. But I love it. It's 3 for 3 in 24 days. Look at this, Maxie Ballin. This guy should be in the Hall of Fame. Why he's not in the Hall of Fame, I have no idea. Couple 69 tops. And there's a 60-something Philadelphia card. Nice. Oh, man. That is awesome. I'm in heaven right now, guys. I'm telling you. I love these vintage cards. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Number 21. I don't know. 21's like my favorite number, I guess. Here's 5 for 5 in 65 days. Took a long time. Is it any good? Not so much. Ricky Horton for 65 days. 85 tops. There's an 87 Donruss. An 87 Fleer. An 87 tops. A 90 Donruss. Shout out Brandon Stebbins. He's putting that set together. Nice. Which one do I like the best here? I like the 85 tops. This is only like my number 6 or 7 of 85 tops that I have. All right, guys. Which one do you think's your favorite? You got any stories about these guys? You're getting them back? Have you not been able to get them back? I like to get some, feedback from you guys. But my favorite one, hands down, is that Sonny Jurgensen. And then the second one's probably, the second one would be tough. It's one of these 4 down here. Like all these 4 would tie for second. The Kilmer, the Snell, the Willard, and the Ballin. Because those are phenomenal. And the Cliff Harris, man. We got to throw that number 2 too. But I got some very good ones today. I'm very, very, very happy and excited to get this stuff. Hopefully you guys are having as much fun as I am, while you're watching it. Because, like I said, we got to throw in this Chuck too. I love those photo shoot cards, man. It's another great day. Like I said, I'm blessed to be able to do this. I hope you guys have a good time watching. I know I have a great time making these things. I want to thank everybody that signed for me and everybody that's watching. I'm going to watch all your videos here in a little bit. Once again, please hit like, please comment, please hit subscribe. And if you hit subscribe, please hit all. That way you get to see all my videos. I do tons of return videos. I get tons of video returns every day. And plus I do a what's sold on eBay every other day. And like I said, you might be able to learn some things about, picking up some media or some different kinds of stuff. Because I dabble in a bunch of thrift store stuff too. But hey guys, thanks for your time. I appreciate you. I love every one of you. Peace.